The ocean is as powerful as it is contradictory. It's the vast The waves on a sandy beach can be as sincere and yet as beguiling as the words of a silver-toned Madeline merchant, and the breeze that runs with the tides can be as sad and yet as hopeful as the heart of a young maiden waiting for the return of the man she loves. Let us visit the seaside and listen.
Sa tabi ng dagat ni Ildefonso Santos.
By the Sea, by Ildefonso Santos.
Marahang manaw kairo at katay lalakad.
Descend lightly, my love, for we will take a walk.
Maglululoy tayong payapang-payapa sa tabi ng dagat.
We will wade quietly in the sea's shallow waters.
Di na kailangan saknat pa ang paang pinalat sibuyas, ang daliring garing at sakong nawari kinuyong na rosas.
No need to shroud your fair-skinned feet, your ivory toes, or your rose-petal heels.
Manunulay ka habang maaga ka sa isang pilapin na nalalatagan ng daming may luha ng mga
We will cross while it is early, a dam blanketed in grass, glistening with tears from the stars.
Patiyag na tayo mag-aabol ang simbilis ng hangin. Ngunit, walang ingay. Hanggang sa sumapit sa ating buha.
We will run as fast as the wind, yet silently as we near the sand dunes.
Pagdating sa tubig, mapapaurong kang parang nanginimi.
At the water's edge, you will step back, seemingly shy.
Gaganyakin ka ta sa mga nangarurong mga lamang laki.
I will coax you towards the grassy marsh.
Doon ay may tahong, talabat, halaang, kabig-habig-ani.
Where there are mussels and oysters and marvelous clams.
Di kaya natin mapanobos na bago tumanghalik.
Will our basket perhaps be full by noon?
Pagdadating hapon, katay magbabalik sa pinanggalingan. Sugatan ang paa at sunog ang balat sa sikat ng araw.
At dusk, we will return to where we began, feet bruised and skin burned by the sun's brilliance.
Talagang ganoon. Sa dagat man irog ng kaligayahan, lahat pati puso ay nakakanas din marahang.
That is how it is, my love, even in the sea of joy. Everything, hearts too, gently give in to the tide.